Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Messenger text tone. So if you use Facebook Messenger really well, and now you want to change your message text tone or the Messenger text tone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change Messenger text tone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook Messenger. Once open the Facebook Messenger, locate and click on the menu button at the bottom right. Then click on settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down, locate notifications and sounds, and click on that. First, you want to make sure do not disturb is not enabled. If do not disturb is enabled, go ahead and turn off do not disturb. Otherwise, your text tone will be changed, but you'll not be able to feel it each time you have a message in the messenger. Now scroll down until you get to notification preferences. Under notification preferences, locate and click on text tone. Then here, you want to select the text tone for your messenger. So once you are good, just hit the back button, and when next you have a message in Messenger, the text tone will be changed. So that's exactly how to change Messenger text tone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.